Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to form an LLC using two different methods. The first method is basically doing it on your own through 6 different steps, but I'll be guiding you through each step and explaining everything you need to know about the process. As for the second method, it involves you leaving all the heavy lifting to the professional organization like Tailor Brands. I'll be explaining what this company does and how it can make the process incredibly streamlined and hassle-free. So if you want to know more about LLCs and how to form them, this video is for you. And without further ado, let's get into it. Also, if at any point in this video you'd like to check out Tailor Brands for yourself, you'll find a useful link including discounts in the description down below to help you save some extra money. Now, an LLC or limited liability company is a type of business structure that combines the benefit of a corporation and a partnership. It provides personal liability protection as you as the owner known as the member, which means your personal assets are separate from the company's debts and liabilities. This shields you from being held personally responsible for the LLC's financial obligations. Also, an LLC offers flexibility in terms of management and taxation and allows for a more informal and adaptive structure, making it easier for you to operate and manage your business. Now, you can apply for an LLC through 2 different methods. The first of which is going through the filing process yourself, so let me guide you through this whole thing. The first step is to choose a name for your LLC. Make sure the name you select is unique and not already in use by another company. Now, each state has its own guidelines for naming an LLC, so it's important to check the business name database maintained by your Secretary of State. Also, avoid using names that can be easily confusing with existing ones and certain words that may require additional paperwork like bank or INC. Moving on to step number 2, you're going to need to choose the state in which you want to register your LLC. Typically, the best is to opt for your home state or the state where you conduct your business, as local lawyers are well versed in their home state's lawyers' government LLC formation and operations, and having government offices nearby can be advantageous for you. And if your business expands to other states, you will need to register as a foreign LLC in those states. Now, the third step is forming an LLC is getting a registered agent. A registered agent is basically a person or business responsible for handling legal documents on behalf of your LLC. They serve as the point of contact for your business and receive important papers like regulation notices and legal filings. Now, depending on the state laws, your registered agent can be someone within your company or a professional service, and they should have a physical address in the state and be available during business hours. On to step number 4, to officially establish your LLC, you must file Article of Organization with the Secretary of State. This document, which may be called a Certificate of Formation or Certificate of Organization in some states, should include your LLC's name, designated registered agent, and management structure. There's typically a one-time filing fee that varies by state, ranging from $40 to $500. And once filed, it usually takes 3 to 7 days for processing, and upon approval, you will receive a state certificate of organization. Moving on to step number 5. While most states don't legally require it, having an operating agreement is crucial for an LLC. This document outlines organization structure, daily duties, and general rules of your LLC. It clarifies the role and responsibilities of LLC members, ownership percentages, profit distribution methods, and decision-making processes. An opening agreement helps prevent misunderstandings and should be updated whenever there are changes in membership or management. And for the 6th and final step, obtaining an employee identification number, or EIN for short, is basically like having a social security number for your business. It's a 9-digit number assigned by the IRS for tax filing purposes. Consider obtaining an EIN if you plan to open a business bank account, apply for a business loan, or pay business income taxes. The process of obtaining an EIN is free and can be done online or by mail through the IRS. Now, if all of this sounds like too much of a headache, you can always go with option 2, hiring a service to take care of your LLC for you. Though it may cost more money than doing it yourself, there are a lot of benefits to hiring a pro like Tailor Brands, which is one of the best LLC formation services out there. Their LLC service will take care of your formal application, get your EIN for you, create your opening agreement and your terms, and act as your registered agent. Now, let me show you how to file for an LLC with the help of Tailor Brands. Step number 1 is to choose your state. On the Tailor Brands website, you'll find a choose your state field. Simply select your state from the drop-down menu and click on Get Started. Step 2 involves answering some straightforward questions. You'll be asked about your business, including its name, the products or service you offer, whether you have employees, and the current stage of your business. You'll also need to provide your personal information such as your name and email address. Rest assured this information is kept confidential and used solely for forming your LLC. The third and final step is to submit your LLC. Once you provided all the necessary information and finalize your payment, Tailor Brands will take care of submitting your LLC application for you, and that's literally it. The whole process takes less than 5 minutes of your time, and Tailor Brands handles all the work for you. So there you have it, the 2 methods for applying for an LLC. The first of which is going through the whole process by yourself, and the second method is to fill out a 5-minute form of Tailor Brands and have them do the work for you. So that's it for this video. Again, if you're interested in Tailor Brands, you'll find all the useful links including discounts in the description down below. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section. I'll do my best to respond to as many of those as I can. Finally, if you subscribe to the channel, welcome. We've got lots more videos coming your way. So until then, stay safe, stay classy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.